Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw alphabets and numbers. A. Red color. Now we draw the alphabet of B. B. The alphabet of C. D. E. Now we draw F. Brown color. Now we are using the color of brown and draw G. Kids, now we are using and opening the color of yellow. H. H. I. Pink color. J. K. Silver color. Now we draw L. L. M. Sky blue color. N. Orange color. O. P. Now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. The next one is 2. Now we are using the color of light pink. 2. 3. 4. Now we draw the number of 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. Black color. 7. The number of 8. Blue color. 9. 10.